They crawl across the seafloor, and they look like visitors from another world. They are electric, frilly, and impossibly bright. Their bodies are soft, decorated with horns and feathery gills. Some pulse with neon light. Others drift through the water like discarded silk ribbons. These are not creatures from a distant galaxy. They are real. They live here on Earth, in our own oceans. We call them Nudibranchs, a name that means naked gills. They are sea slugs, but that simple name doesn't capture their otherworldly beauty. Why are these sea slugs so dazzlingly colorful? One of the most important reasons is to send a clear message. Their bright colors are a warning sign. This strategy is called aposematism. It is nature's way of saying, "Do not eat me. I am dangerous." A predator, like a fish, a crab, sees brilliant reds, oranges, yellows. The fish learns to associate these vivid colors with a terrible taste or a painful sting. It is a lesson predators won't forget. The nudibranch's beauty is a form of self-defense, a visual shield protecting its soft body. Where do these soft-bodied slugs get their dangerous defenses? Many of them are not born with toxins. Instead, they steal them. Nudibranchs are expert thieves, taking weapons from the very food they eat. Some species feed on sponges. Sponges are often filled with nasty chemical compounds to deter predators. The nudibranch consumes the sponge tissue. Instead of digesting the toxins, it absorbs them. It stores these chemicals in its body, becoming as unpalatable as the sponge. A brilliant strategy, turning a meal into a suit of armor. Another example, stealing stinging cells. Some nudibranchs, like the blue glaucus, prey on hydrozoans such as the Portuguese man-o'-war. Hydrozoans have powerful stinging cells called nematocysts. When the nudibranch eats its prey, it moves undischarged stinging cells through its digestive tract. It relocates them into the tips of its own appendages. These feathery serrata show the delicate structures where stolen defenses are stored. While many nudibranchs use bright colors to warn predators away, others use their colors for the exact opposite reason, to hide. This is camouflage, but not the kind we usually think of. These slugs are not trying to blend in with dull sand or brown rocks. Instead, they live in vibrant, colorful environments. They make their homes on brightly colored sponges. They make their homes on corals. They make their homes on sea anemones. To hide in a place that is already a riot of color, the nudibranch must become a riot of color itself. Its patterns and hues allow it to disappear against its equally flamboyant background. Imagine a nudibranch that lives and feeds exclusively on a bright orange sponge. Over time, it evolves to be the exact same shade of orange. A passing fish, looking for a meal, would swim right by, completely unaware that a delicious sea slug is sitting in plain sight. Its body shape might also mimic the texture of the sponge, further enhancing the disguise. Among the thousands of species, a few stand out as true ocean celebrities. The Spanish shawl, or Phalaenopsis iodinea, is a breathtaking sight. It lives off the coast of California and is a vision of vibrant purple and orange. Its body is a sleek electric purple, while the frilly serrata on its back are tipped in a fiery, glowing orange. When it swims, it doesn't just crawl. It flexes its whole body, undulating through the water column like a flamenco dancer's shawl caught in a gentle breeze. Then there are the members of the Chromodorus genus, which are like tiny enameled jewels. Chromodorus quadricolor is a famous example, often called the four-colored nudibranch. It has a stunningly blue body, edged with thin lines of black and white, and its gills and rhinophores, the horn-like sensors on its head, are a contrasting dash of bright orange. The world of nudibranchs is vast and full of astonishing facts. Scientists have identified over 3,000 distinct species, and new ones are still being discovered all the time. They are found in every ocean on Earth, from the shallowest, sunlit tide pools to the dark, crushing pressures of the deep sea. Their size range is just as impressive. Some are microscopic, barely visible to the naked eye, while the largest, like the Spanish dancer, can grow to be over a foot long. This incredible diversity is a sign of their evolutionary success, showing how well they have adapted to countless different marine niches. One of their most remarkable secrets is that they are simultaneous hermaphrodites. This means that every single nudibranch has both male and female reproductive organs. When two nudibranchs meet, they can fertilize each other at the same time. This is a huge advantage for a solitary animal that moves slowly and may not encounter a mate very often. It doubles their chances of reproducing whenever an opportunity arises. They are a living, breathing art gallery hidden beneath the waves. These strange animals come in every color you can imagine. They are a rainbow brought to life. You might see a brilliant purple body with fiery orange tips. You could find a slug of the deepest black, striped with shocking yellow lines. Their shapes are just as varied and strange. Some are smooth and streamlined, built for gliding over rocks. Others are covered in waving appendages called serrata, which look like the petals of a bizarre flower. They are a testament to nature's endless creativity, proving that the most alien-looking life forms are often found right here, in the mysterious depths of our planet's seas. This incredible diversity of form and color is not just for show. Each pattern, each hue, and each frilly appendage serves a purpose. It is a language spoken in the silent world of the ocean. These slugs tell a story of survival, of adaptation, of life in a world filled with predators. They have turned their soft, vulnerable bodies into masterpieces of defense. They are a living paradox, fragile yet dangerous, beautiful yet deadly. To understand the nudibranch is to understand that in nature, even the most delicate-looking creature has a powerful secret to tell, a story written in its very skin. Exploring their world is like stepping onto another planet. The rules of life we know on land seem to have been rewritten underwater. Here, being small and soft does not mean you are helpless. It means you have evolved clever and astonishing ways to thrive. The nudibranch challenges our ideas of what an animal should look like. It invites us to look closer, to marvel at the strange and wonderful solutions that life has found. They are a vibrant reminder that our ocean is a realm of endless surprise, with countless secrets still waiting to be discovered just below the surface. The choice between warning coloration and camouflage depends entirely on the nudibranch's lifestyle and environment. If its food source is widespread and it moves around a lot, a bold warning signal is a better strategy. However, if it spends its entire life on a single, brightly colored host, then matching that host's appearance is the key to survival. Both strategies have been wildly successful, leading to the incredible diversity of colors and patterns we see in these animals. They show us that there is more than one way to thrive, and that sometimes the best way to hide is to be just as brilliant as the world around you. If a predator bites the slug, it gets a painful mouthful of stings, a nasty surprise. This co-opting of defenses is a remarkable evolutionary feat. The nudibranch must be immune to the toxins and stings it consumes. It has specialized biological pathways to handle and transport these substances safely, a form of biological alchemy, transforming another organism's power into its own. This process, kleptocnidi, is one of nature's most astonishing survival strategies. It lets a slow, soft animal become a formidable force. Diet directly determines defensive capability. Eat a toxic sponge, carry that sponge's chemical signature. Eat a stinging hydroid, become a stinging slug. Highly specialized. Their beauty reflects their lifestyle and the dangerous world they inhabit. You are what you eat, far more literal and deadly than you might imagine. Some species harbor another secret, the ability to photosynthesize. This is achieved through a process called kleptoplasty. When these slugs eat algae, they don't just digest it. They carefully extract the chloroplasts, the tiny solar-powered factories inside plant cells, and incorporate them into their own tissues. These stolen chloroplasts continue to photosynthesize, producing energy from sunlight for the slug. The nudibranch effectively becomes a solar-powered animal, part creature and part plant. It is a survival strategy so strange it almost sounds like science fiction, yet it is happening every day in the ocean. What other incredible secrets are waiting to be found in the deep? These are their gills, exposed directly to the water. This rosette of external gills allows them to breathe. In many other sea slugs, the gills are hidden under a shell or a fold of skin, but the nudibranch wears its respiratory system on the outside like a crown. This, along with their horn-like chemosensory tentacles called rhinophores, gives them their unique and characteristic silhouette, a body plan that is both bizarre and beautiful.